Hi, this is Binita Rana from Radhakrishna Holidays. We are a DMC for Nepal, Bhutan, and Tibet, and even Kailash Mansarovar as well. So our company, it's a 16 years old company, and we have an office in Nepal, Bhutan, um, even India sales office as well. We have an office in Kathmandu, Nepal, in Bhairava, in Pokhara, and Thimphu, Bhutan. So basically, we provide proper land packages, and we have an stockist of airlines as well. So in Nepal, there is lots of places. Like in Nepal, you can find all the pilgrimage, adventure, nightlife, for MICE connectivity, each and everything. In Nepal, you can explore Kathmandu, which is temples tour, which where you find the temples, and in Pokhara, the biggest Feva Lake is there, and you can see the mountain ranges from hotel itself in Pokhara. And there is also called the Muktinath temple, which is related to Lord Vishnu. And also there is Lumbini as well, which is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. I think you have heard of that. And there is a Janakpur also. Ram Janki temple is there. Also, you can find lots of adventure activities like paragliding, zip line, river rafting, bungee jumping, mountain flight is there, heli tour to Mount Everest, heli tour to Annapurna Base Camp, Mardi Himal, lots of adventure activities is there. Now coming towards to Bhutan, there is a city called Paro, Thimphu, which is a capital city there, Punakha, Pobzika, Bumthang village. Bhutan is a very nice country, so you can enter to Bhutan. There is a two option. One is Paro Airport and another one is Bagdogra. And the standard itinerary for Bhutan is start from 4 night, and for Nepal also from 4 night. And now coming towards the Kailash Mansarovar. Kailash Mansarovar is you can travel to Kailash Mansarovar via road and via helicopter as well. And For road, you can travel from Kathmandu to Kathmandu, which cover like 13 night and 14 days. And by heli, there is one route which is ex Lucknow, which cover 9 night and 10 days. So we are proper 25 plus team. And yes, if you are looking for this destination, we can surely guide you. We have in contact details. Our contact details is plus 977 980 100 6143. This is our Nepali number. You can contact us in WhatsApp, and we have an email ID as well, which is Radha Krishna Holidays KTM at gmail.com. Thank you.